Hi viewers. So today we will be discussing about the most important thing from patient perspective, that which lab to choose and choosing a lab for genetic testing, because it's the most crucial thing, and there are around six most important factors which everyone should look into when they are opting for a genetic testing. So the first one will be accuracy and reliability, because basically genetic testing is analyzing your DNA, so the accurate results are quite vital for making any informed decision about your health, or either to opting for the preventive procedure, or either for family planning or for the symptomatic treatment. So that is quite important, and that's why you have to look for the lab accuracy and reliability. If the lab reports an inaccurate result, so it will create an unnecessary anxiety, and even there will be a missed you can miss the medical intervention for the treatment, or either for preventive options. So, and then if we're moving toward the second most important thing, that is the test validity and scope, because a lot of labs by the same name offer different type of test. Names are the same, but they are looking into different things. So you should always look into what the labs are offering under their banner or under the same test name. So that's why there are scope and limitations to every lab testing. So a good lab will always tell you that which test will be more appropriate for you, and which will be exactly help you, which test will exactly help you to identify your genetic condition and how to tackle it or go about it. Choosing a wrong test might not give you a complete information, or either you can miss a quite important preventive procedure, or either symptomatic treatment. So that's the another second most important thing. Third most important thing is data privacy, because genetic testing is something your whole life you are carrying the same genes and chromosomes. So the data privacy is quite important. So always good labs will keep your reports extremely confidential, and will just inform you and your primary doctor, and they will not share it with any research institute directly without your consent or anywhere else. So that is the third extremely important one. Fourth point is quality assurance and accreditations, because a majority of the labs, they have to follow ACMG guidelines while reporting. So that's quite important to look into the lab, that lab are properly accredited, and they have good people to look into your result, and they have the good expertise in interpreting your results and to analyzing your data, genetic data, and then reporting it. Because under reporting and over reporting, that's an extremely important thing, and that you should always ask your primary doctor that what labs are offering and what their expertise are and what they are offering. Or because if the report are underreported, so a lot of diseases can be missed, which can be prevented easily or can be tackled easily. Or if there are if it's not a good lab and they did over reporting, so it will create extra anxiety, and it will be a waste of time and waste of financial waste and emotional burden as well. So that's why it's quite important. So expertise, experience, quality assurance, so that should be always asked when opting for a genetic testing. And lastly, we will be talking about support and guidance. So always a good lab will give you support and guidance before testing, that which test will be more suited for you, either if you are opting for the complete panels as well, which you can see, which you have heard in our previous videos as well, or either you are opting for just a specific single gene disorder testing. So that's quite important to get a support from the lab, or either counseling session if needed, because a lot of time there are complex disorders and they need a counseling to go for the preventive procedure and those things. So remember these things, taking a time to do your own research and choose a reliable and reputable lab, which can, because it has a significantly impact the accuracy, security, and the authenticity of the report, and the acceptability of the report as well, because the report should be accepted by anywhere if it's a good lab. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and you can push the like button.